Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the router is powered and WAN lights are steady. This shows the fiber link is active. Once done, plug a laptop into the LAN port or join the default SSID printed on the sticker so you can change settings securely. Make sure you have your Jio account ID and any activation code at hand, because you will authenticate and save changes. This step prevents lockouts and keeps the initial setup fast, so you can proceed to configure Wi-Fi with confidence. You now log into 192.168.29.1 or open the Jio Fiber mobile app. This gives you direct access to wireless settings. Once logged in, rename the SSID to something recognizable and set a strong password of at least 12 characters, because better credentials stop casual intruders. Make sure encryption is set to WPA2 or WPA3 for compatibility and security. While here, change the admin password to prevent remote tampering and optionally enable a guest network to isolate visitors from your main devices. You finish by reconnecting your devices to the new SSID and verifying internet access with a quick browser page load or speed test. If a device won't connect, reboot the router and check the fiber and Ethernet cable seating. Loose cables are common causes. Once rebooted, if you still face issues, perform a factory reset and reapply the configuration. This clears corrupted settings. One key troubleshooting tip: always check LED patterns, they reveal link, internet, or provisioning problems before deeper fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.